Story 26. It is narrated that a tyrant who purchased wood from dervishes forcibly gave it away to rich people gratuitously. We think of the what's going on with the limiting of the firewood via government action and not dealing with the forest. So that's part of what's going on here. A pious man, here in my country, a pious man passing near said, "Thou art a snake, stingiest, whom thou beholdest, art an owl, wherever thou sittest, thou destroyest. Although thy oppression may pass among us, it cannot pass with the Lord who knows all secrets. Oppress not the denizens of the earth, that their supplications may not pass to heaven." The tyrant, being displeased with these words, got angry and took no notice of him until one night, when fire from the kitchen fell into the store of his wood and burnt all he possessed, transferring him from his soft bed to a hot mound of ashes. The same pious man happened again to pass and hear him saying to his friends, "I do not know whence this fire has fallen into my house." Replied, "From the smoke of the hearts of dervishes. Beware the smoke of internal wounds, because at last an internal wound will break out. Forbear to uproot one heart as long as thou canst, because one sigh may uproot a world." Upon the diadem of K. Khosrow, the following piece was inscribed: "For how many years and long lives will the people walk over my head on the ground, as from hand to hand the kingdom came to us, so will it also go to other hands." And that's an important thing to consider, is that, others are going to have it after you. Well, in multiple ways, right? But the point of taxation should not be that, oh, well, you can glean and live off the luxury of the commoners. I mean, that you can live in luxury via the commoners, but yeah.